If your phone volume suddenly becomes low, many people assume the speaker is damaged. That's often wrong. In most cases, low volume comes from settings, dust buildup, app conflicts, or Bluetooth routing. The right approach is diagnosis first, not immediate repair. 1. Check volume settings properly. Phones have multiple volume controls: media volume, call, volume alarm volume, notification volume. Many users increase one, but the issue is in another. Open sound settings and check each one individually. This solves a surprising number of cases. 2. Restart the phone. A restart clears temporary audio software glitches. Sometimes apps or system processes lock audio routing incorrectly. Restarting resets those background services. It's simple but effective. 3. Clean the speaker grill. Dust is a common reason. Speaker holes collect pocket lint dust, moisture residue. This blocks sound physically. Use a soft brush or dry cotton swab carefully. Do not insert sharp objects. 4. Check Bluetooth connection. Your phone may still be connected to a Bluetooth device. If so, audio may be playing through earbuds, speakers, car system. Turn Bluetooth off and test again. This instantly confirms whether routing is the issue. 5. Remove phone case obstruction. Some cases partially block speaker openings. This reduces sound output, especially on bottom speakers. Remove the case and test audio directly. 6. Disable audio effects. Some phones use audio enhancement features. Sometimes these cause lower volume due to software bugs. Check Sound Enhancements Equalizer. Dolby settings. Turn them off temporarily to test. 7. Check app-specific problems. If volume is low only in one app, the issue is not the speaker. It may be app bug, media source issue, corrupted settings. Test YouTube Music calls videos. This tells you if it's system-wide or app-specific. 8. Water or moisture damage. If the phone recently got wet, speaker volume may drop temporarily. Moisture can muffle sound significantly. Let it dry completely and avoid charging during wet conditions. Strategic insight. Low phone volume usually comes from one of 4 causes: settings mismatch, speaker blockage, Bluetooth redirection, moisture, or hardware wear. The fastest check. If headphones sound normal but speaker sounds low, the issue is likely speaker-related. Final conclusion. Before repairing your phone, test these first: sound settings, Bluetooth speaker cleaning, restart.